everyone, welcome to Color Goose Designs. In this video, I am sharing how to make GondPainting bookmarks. This is the first video in this tribal art tutorial series. In my next videos, I will be sharing very easy tutorials on how to make beautiful Gond paintings, Madhubani paintings and Warli paintings step by step, which you can make and use as home decor. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the tutorials. You can also follow me on my Instagram and Facebook pages where I keep on posting my new paintings and updates on upcoming art workshops. Links of my website and other social media platform is given in the description box. Now let's begin with this session. This video is going to be very informative for beginners, so don't skip and watch full video. For bookmarks, you can use any thick paper. I am using 235 GSM ivory sheet. The size of the bookmarks is 5 cm by 18 cm. I will be showing two different motifs, peacock and deer. Both these motifs are very popular in Gond paintings. You can either draw the design or you can trace it. If you want to trace the design, you can download the printable file which you can see on the screen from my website colorgoose.com. After completing this design, we will outline it with a black gel pen. I will share the list of all the materials used in the description box and also the links from where you can purchase them. We will also do the detailings after coloring the design with black gel pen. I am dividing the motifs into sections. Now this is very important in Gond paintings. After coloring, we will fill up these sections with different geometrical patterns like lines, dashes and dots. As you know, Gond painting is a tribal art form of India. It is practiced by the largest tribe of India, that is Gondi tribe. It is a very famous tribal art form and it is practiced mainly in Madhya Pradesh and in some parts of Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh and Orissa. Now here I am drawing the deer motif. I am dividing it in sections with double lines. You can also use single lines to divide the sections. Now let's begin with the coloring. Here I am using different color pens. You can use any medium, whichever you like. The bright colors used in the painting makes it more attractive. So here I am using bright colors like red, yellow, blue and green. Now the coloring is completed. I'm doing the detailing with the help of a black gel pen. Now here I am using white gel pen to make the pattern. It is not necessary to make the patterns with black color only. It's totally up to you which type of patterns and colors you want to fill in the sections. Your beautiful GondPainting bookmarks are ready. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment section. If you are trying these bookmarks, then don't forget to share on my Instagram page @ColorGhostDesigns. If you like this video, then please subscribe and hit the like button and share with someone who would love to learn Indian tribal art. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.